Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, it's early morning, got just enough light now to start flying. Was able to push the Maiden to where I can actually get it before today's what, the 16th. Now we got back from our family issue, and we'll be able to fit this Maiden in here Monday morning. Little cross breeze, about 7-mile cross breeze, but not too terribly bad. Beautiful morning, and it's still low enough light where we can really show off these lights. We'll talk about after the flight about my rates. Now, I don't have a Spectrum receiver. I have a Limit RX 7-channel Gen 2 with a satellite. Okay, so I do have stabilizer. And before we go anywhere, let's make sure we got throttle.
Motor is on.
Okay. All right, and let me make sure that I'm going to turn my gains all the way up, or they're over exaggerated. I want to make sure that, hey, the aileron goes up, flap goes up, rudder goes towards me. All right, so when I turn it toward, okay, so I know my gyro is going in the right direction, because that's the last thing you want to do is have to try to fight a gyro. All right, let's take her out here and let's get her up in the air. Timer set for 4.5 minutes for my first flight, because they say she's very easy on the battery. Actually, I'm probably going to decrease that to 4 minutes just to be on the safe side. Thank you for getting my transmitter. Does make it a lot easier. And I'm going to need my kissy. All right, got to have my good luck kiss from my Sweat Precious. All right, I want to change this timer. We're going to leave all that in there because that's important. I'm going to change my timer down to 4 minutes instead. Just take that 30 seconds out. Okay. Okay. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay, actually one thing we need to do, because it's the first time, we need to cycle the gear just to make sure the gear is working correctly. Okay, do this with my thumb, right.
Tracks deployed.
Okay. Gear going up. Trying to hurt my transmitter. Gear going down. All right. Now all I've done outside with this plane is I did a taxi test and a range test at home. Other than that, nothing else with the plane. Are dealing with a cross breeze. Right, that. Rates I'm going to fly in right now: 100% throws, 30% expo all the way around. It's kind of cold. Run a 6000 HRB. Where the manual says to put it. I think I pretty much got the CG right. All right, we don't need flaps because we're
Starting the
a little windy anyways. Okay, a little nervous. So, here we go.
Up.
Needs a little bit of right aileron. A little bit up elevator too. Can tell you right now, she's a sweetheart. I'm gonna go out here
Time remaining 3 minutes. Retracts deployed. Landing flaps.
All right, we hit something. I was full up elevator. I didn't have enough elevator. All right. Let me adjust my elevator trim to a little more up elevator. Or flap trim anyways. Okay. And I'm going to set my throws on my elevator to 125. So I don't feel like I had enough elevator authority. So
Flaps are up.
all right, real quick, let's make sure we had a have she sat down kind of hard. So let me make sure the flat or the retracts are working okay. I think they're going to be fine. But I will tell you, she's a big sweetheart.
Gear up. Retracts
Yeah, I didn't want to get her in that grass and look how dirty she is, but that's okay. That's okay. All right.
hitting the brakes. Cruise mode.
Oh yeah, she got thrust reverse too, by the way. Still got 2 minutes. All right, let me get out here.
Takeoff flaps.
Let's see how takeoff flaps do. Okay.
Flaps are up. Gear up.
Man, what a sweetheart. Boy, she flies so good. Still need a little bit up elevator though.
Retracts deployed. Landing flaps. Flaps are up. Time remaining 1 minute.
She's not liking that cross breeze, I can tell you that.
Landing flaps.
Ah!
is secured. Safe to approach.
All right, after the debacle of me letting that cross, looks like we've got new. Have to see if the gear itself is, well, strut's going to be okay. Probably have to replace the gear. All that can be possibly repaired. I don't know. That gear back there is definitely going to probably be stripped, so I can probably have to replace this one, replace this one. That's damaged. That door's damaged. That's going to be stripped out now. This wingtip, that's really not that big of a deal. But without putting electronics to it, that was just me caught a bad cross breeze, and I wasn't ready for it. And you know that I always say, you know, that little voice in the back of your head says, "Don't fly today. It's too windy, or it's the wrong kind of wind." And I didn't listen to my voice because I wanted to fly so bad. And now I'm probably looking about $150 worth of parts. That if it doesn't work, I'm out that anyways. I'm already out $500 for the plane, but hopefully I can. The plane's in good shape as far as the fuse, wings, and everything, but who knows about the gear. I'm sure all the electronics, all that would be fine inside, but that hurt. That really hurt. Well, it's my own stupidity. I wasn't lined up right for a cross breeze. I wasn't set up for it, and I went ahead and landed it anyways. But live and learn, and boy, this is an expensive hobby.